Hello and welcome back to another great video. Today we are going to be talking about telepathy, being telepathic. From the Greek word tele, meaning distant, and pathos, meaning experience. Are you having a distant experience or perception that is coming from outside of your normal sensory experience? I find it to be quite normal. I have telepathic experiences on a fairly regular basis. And I think you do too. And if you do, let me know in the comments section down below. I'd love to hear your experiences, your extra sensory experiences, and maybe we can generate some new videos, some new topics in the future to talk about. That'd be fun, right? And so yeah, I'd love to hear your comments. Do you ever take a phone call and you know who's going to call you? You know who's going to call you. You're just certain that person's going to call you, and you pull your phone out and boom, they're calling you. You know they're calling you. You have this ability to pick up on someone else signaling you, letting you know that they're about to give you a jingle. Or maybe a text message. Or you have a feeling that you should wait at an intersection and then someone blasts through or gets in a car accident. I feel that we have these abilities that are far beyond what we've been taught are possible in our regular day-to-day lives. And I feel like if we're able to tune in more and listen to our abilities, our telepathic abilities, our abilities to send and receive information from mind to mind, just like the morphogenic fields that Rupert Sheldrake talks about. If you haven't seen Rupert Sheldrake, I think you should go check him out. Very good stuff. I oftentimes find that people have telepathic or empathic abilities between loved ones or close friends. I feel like they have a strong heart connection, a strong connection to each other, and they're able to pick up on those thoughts and perceptions. You know, what color are you thinking of? Blue? I was thinking of the same color. And I find it to be of no coincidence that these experiences do happen to us. I feel like we've lost touch, or perhaps we're redeveloping this ability to come in tune with our true nature, our true selves. And that's that we have abilities that are far beyond what we've been taught. So I know for sure I've had some amazing, even strong telepathic experiences. Maybe on the low side, you might experience something as calm as, picking up on a phone call, or someone was going to tell you something, but you already knew what they were going to tell you minutes before it happened. Maybe even hours. My best experience that I can share with you of a telepathic experience was when I was with my girlfriend one day when we were in the car. We were meditating to some meditation music outside of the driveway, and we were listening to this wonderful, relaxing music. And we were laid back, and we were talking, and we wanted to just share a calm experience together. Next thing you know, I reach my hand up just like this with my eyes closed, and I grabbed her hand. I grabbed her hand very briefly, and I opened my eyes and looked at her, and I said, "Not yet, not yet." And I heard verbatim, word for word, what she was thinking. And I could literally hear her voice in my mind. I feel that if we quiet our mind down and let our intuition rise up, our ability to experience our extra sensory perceptions, we can pick up on those things. And she asked me, "Are we ready to go? Can we go now?" And that's why I raised my hand and said, "Not yet." I wanted to finish the meditation an extra 5 minutes before we headed out. And so I wanted to share that little experience with you, that I was able to hear word for word, verbatim, what she wanted to tell me. And without even opening my eyes, I grabbed her hand before she placed it on my lap to wake me up and notify me that, let's go. I'm done meditating. I'm done with this. And that's okay. So share your experiences with me down in the comment section below. What kind of stuff have you had happen? Maybe you'd like to join me on like a podcast or a video call with your telepathic experiences, or maybe some other experiences you've had. If you haven't checked out my other spiritual videos, I recommend you do it on my channel. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and choose all. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Send me a direct message if you want to communicate with me. And don't forget to share this video. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching today. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you have a blessed day. Stay positive, and I want you to keep working on using your extrasensory perception, your empathic, your telepathic, your amazing abilities that you've been hiding from yourself. Reveal them. Speak your truth. Let them be known to others. It's okay to be different. I'll see you later in the next one. Take care, guys.